There are several ways of roasting peanuts, popularly known as groundnut in Nigeria. Using sand, oven, an air fryer, or even Garri. My favorite way of roasting groundnut, which is peanut, is using Garri. Any type of Garri will work. This method is easy. It gives a unique flavor and aroma. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Gina. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous love and support. And if you are new here, you are most welcome. On this channel, I share delicious recipes, cooking tips, and simple kitchen hacks that make life easier. Firstly, remove stones and any possible dirt. Ensure to remove the bad peanuts. Rinse the peanuts with water to remove dust. Place them in fresh water and allow them to soak for 10 minutes. For this recipe, we'll be needing peanuts, Garri, salt for taste. For the tools, we need bowl, we need sieve, spoon that can withstand heat, or spatula. We also need pan to roast the peanuts. After soaking, pour the peanuts into a sieve to drain out the water. Sprinkle in your salt and mix well. The salt does not only add flavor to the peanuts, it also keeps insects away when it is drying under the sun. Allow the peanuts to drain out excess water while in the sieve. Place the drained salted peanuts in a tray and go ahead to sun-dry the peanuts. Ensure to spread the peanuts in the tray so that it can dry fast. It was a sunny day and I did not take account of how many hours I allowed the groundnuts to stay under the sun. I left it there until I was ready to roast my peanuts. Place a clean pan on low heat. Add your Garri to the pan and allow it to heat up before going ahead to add your sun-dried peanuts. Ensure to roast on low heat so that it does not get burnt and they are not evenly roasted. Ensure to continually stir the peanuts and do not leave it unattended to prevent it from burning. This took about 20 to 25 minutes for it to get ready. If you want to roast your peanuts, your groundnuts for say, and you want to make a large batch, ensure to use enough Garri and it's going to take a longer time compared to mine. The measurement of the groundnut is half benta. That is what I made. You will know they are ready when they turn golden brown and give a roasted aroma. Test by cracking one open and tasting it to know if it is crunchy. If it is, then it is ready. Pour into a sieve and shake gently to separate the Garri from the peanuts. Store the Garri for next time because it can be reused to make another batch of peanuts. Ensure to spread the peanuts so that it can cool completely before removing the skin from it, because if you start removing the skin while it is hot, the groundnut is going to split. After separating the skin, ensure to store the roasted peanuts in an airtight container so that it will maintain its crunchy state. I would love to hear from you. If you try this method, let me know in the comments how it turned out. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, do not forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Share this video with your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.